Some more breaking news coming in, but before that, let me also rope in Payal Jain into this conversation. Payal, I hope you can hear me now. Payal, are you there with
News.
us?
Yeah. I'm
Payal,
Payal Jain from
Payal,
Gurgaon.
obviously, whatever is available pertaining to this case is absolutely disturbing. And
Right.
Harsh has rightly said that this is also maligning and putting into disrepute the institution of marriage.
Right, you are. I'm really very shocked about this news. She is just 20 years old. All fault your both families. क्योंकि एक्चुअली दोनों फैमिली को ये चीज चेक करनी चाहिए थी कि उसके रूटीन क्या है क्या नहीं, एक पूरी लाइफ उनकी खराब कर दे दो फैमिली की. आई एम रियली वेरी very upset. Because they are adult, if she is 20 years old, but both family are adults, तो उनको ये सोचना चाहिए था कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, एक फैमिली को जोड़ रहे हैं, किस टाइप की फैमिली है, कैसे बच्चे हैं, ये सब चीजें तो उनको जज करना चाहिए था ना, चेक करना चाहिए था. इतने तो एजुकेटेड हैं. इफ वो एजुकेटेड नहीं है तो वो लोग तो एजुकेटेड थे ना. एक पूरी फैमिली खराब हो गई दोनों की इन चीजों से कि उन्होंने चेक ही नहीं किया. और आई एम रियली वेरी शॉक के एक पूरा एक इनोसेंट पर्सन जो इतना भोला भाला लड़का इंटेलिजेंट, उसके ऊपर ऐसे ब्लेम लगाए जा रहे हैं कि ये नहीं है वो नहीं है, ऐसे था वो था. क्लियर केस है. आई डोंट नो कि ये लोग सोचते क्यों नहीं है कि क्लियर है, इसको खत्म करो. ये चीजों का सारी ब्लेम एक दूसरे पे डाल रहे हैं. वो ठीक नहीं है. ये सोसाइटी में ये सब चीजें नहीं चलती कि आप बिना चेक किए वो डांस कर रही हैं, ये कर रही हैं, फैमिली को नहीं पता. आई एम रियली वेरी अपसेट के मैं आई कांट बिलीव के लोग ये कहते हैं उनकी दोनों फैमिली के हमें नहीं पता था, हमें नहीं पता था. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि अगर आप जा रहे हो एक जगह पे, एक शादी कर रहे हो, तो उसकी पूरी फैमिली के बारे में आप मस्ट है कि आपको पूरी जानकारी लेनी चाहिए थी. और अगर लड़का है और उनकी फैमिली इतनी नोन है तो उनको ये सोचना चाहिए था कि हमें उनके बारे में सारा इंक्वायरी करनी है. एक फैमिली में आप मेंबर को लेके आ रहे हो और बहुत छोटी है वो लड़की. एटलीस्ट ये तो उनको इंक्वायरी करनी ही चाहिए थी. और रियली वेरी शॉकिंग के ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. आई एम सो सॉरी. आई एम रियली स्पीचलेस एंड आई हैव नो वर्ड्स फॉर
All right.
फैमिलीज के उनके ऊपर
Let me
क्या
let me
बीत रही
also
होगी.
let me also bring in Nirmal Kaurji into this conversation again, ma'am. What would be the takeaway according to you about this high-profile case?
The takeaway is that we are giving a lot of freedom to our girls these days. We are raising them to be independent, to think for themselves, to enjoy themselves. We give them freedom, we give them money, we allow them to go out at late hours or whatever was not acceptable 10 years ago at all by the families. But we are not monitoring them. Unsupervised money, unsupervised freedom for to a 20-year-old has no freedom. It's like giving right of vote to someone who doesn't know what electioneering is all about or values are all about. So this kind of unsupervised freedom, unsupervised money, unsupervised permission to go to dances or to bars or to clubs, wherever, that kind of a thing, the children need monitoring. She's just 20. She's not had experiences of life. And also when they gave her all the freedom in the world, gave her money, gave her good clothes or whatever it's required, why did they not give her the freedom to choose her life partner? Was he imposed on her? I mean, this marriage was being imposed on her. It looked like so, because otherwise, why wouldn't she just say no and walk away rather than kill him? Because taking someone's life for this kind of a thing is too much. I mean, everyone has a right to live. So had Ketan, and so has she and Chetan. But see, they're also young, too young. It feels bizarre. It's almost like I mean, It's not understandable at all what happened, how it happened. But definitely, it points to the fact that criminality is there in the society, and criminal mind is there. Both the way the both these Chetan and the girl, Sia, they plotted the murder, they executed the murder. They talked to their criminal minds and their criminal intent, and also there's one story going around in the media that she got 1 crore from Ketan saying that she wants to do shopping, and passed on that money to Chetan. So that means she was exploiting the relationship also. She was not above it. She did not straight away say no because she perhaps wanted best of both the worlds. She wanted the money and the status and everything which Ketan promised or Ketan had, and she wanted also all the romance or whatever Chetan held for her. So that is what brought in all the differences and eventually, such an unfortunate outcome with
Hmm.
Ketan dying.
You're quite right, ma'am. Would like to thank all our guests who joined in for this important conversation. We have some breaking news coming in now.